Yeah. Kuan.
Nanood ako ng Miracle in Cell number 7. When I watched that movie, I was crying even 10 minutes after I watched it. Ganun yung naramdaman ko when you were singing. Grabe yung control. Talagang ramdam na ramdam. Hindi naman ako malungkot. Hindi
Ha?
ako malungkot. Wala akong pinagdadaanan ng
Palit siya.
buhay ko ngayon. Pero yung epekto nyo, talagang
Ah, sino po may...
iyak na iyak ako. Ganun yung feeling. It was so full of emotion. And you took this song to a different level na ang taas-taas. And vocally din, kasi hindi na emotions eh. Vocally, napaka-skillful nyo. Ang galing nung ginagawa nyo sa bukan. And yung sinabi ko kagahapon about symmetry. You know, symmetry is a definition of beauty. Yung boses yung dalawa, it's vocally symmetric. Nanginginig ako, ang ganda, sobrang ganda, sobra yung dynamics, it was so beautiful. Yun ang masasabi ko.